DJI Transmission supports connecting in control mode or broadcast mode. When DJI video receiver is connected in control mode, it supports connecting master wheels to access and control the gimbal. In this mode, the video transmission system allows you to have up to 2 receivers functioning as controllers. Power on the video receiver. Press the menu dial on the video receiver to enter the menu. Turn the dial to select Control in the menu, and press the dial to confirm. Select to set the video receiver to Control A or Control B. The linking status indicator light blinks red and green alternately, indicating the device is linking. At this moment, press and hold the dial on the transmitter to link the devices. When the linking is complete, the linking status indicator turns solid green, and the video receiver can communicate with the video transmitter. In broadcast mode, the video receiver only supports monitoring videos. The number of receivers is not limited. Control mode and broadcast mode are 2 different signal transmission methods. A DJI video transmitter can simultaneously communicate with 2 video receivers, with one in control mode and another in broadcast mode. Power on the video transmitter and press the menu dial on the video transmitter to enter the menu. Select and enable broadcast in the menu. Switch the video receiver to broadcast mode. In this mode, the receiver will search for transmitters that are already in broadcast mode and display their device numbers. Select the desired transmitter number to monitor and confirm the connection. When using multiple transmitters simultaneously with broadcast mode on, make sure each video transmitter is using a different channel to reduce interference. When there are more than 4 camera positions on site, it is recommended to change the broadcast quality from high definition to smooth in the transmitter menu. This allows for more channel options and improves the overall transmission quality at the site. Before using, make sure you have updated the firmware of your Ronin 4D video transmitter to the latest version. Press and hold the linking button on the Ronin 4D video transmitter to enter linking status. Power on the video receiver. Press the menu dial on the receiver to enter the menu, and turn the dial to select Control in the menu. Select to set the video receiver to Control A or Control B, and then link it with the Ronin 4D video transmitter. You can enable broadcast mode on Ronin 4D video transmitter. In this case, once the other video receivers are set to broadcast mode, you can search for and connect the receivers to the Ronin 4D video transmitter.